Let's solve a mystery that drives every single content creator crazy. Why does it feel like Facebook buries your posts the second you add a link? And more importantly, what's the incredibly simple trick to fix it?
You know the feeling, right? You spend all this time crafting the perfect post, you find an amazing article, or maybe it's a link to your own new blog. You hit publish, and then crickets. It's like you're literally shouting into a void. So frustrating.
Well, believe it or not, that experience actually has a name. We call it the ghost post problem, and it is absolutely happening by design.
So a ghost post is any post you make with a link to an outside website that Facebook's algorithm on purpose throttles down, hiding it from almost everybody. It's not deleted or anything, it's just made invisible, a ghost in the machine.
So it really begs the question, is Facebook actually punishing you for sharing great content and trying to drive traffic? The short answer is, yeah, kind of. But to really understand why, we need to talk about restaurants.
Yeah, you heard me right. To understand why Facebook does this, we have to talk about what I call the restaurant rule. It's a really simple analogy, but trust me, it makes Facebook's entire business model crystal clear. Okay, so imagine you walk into a Sri Lankan restaurant. What's one of the first signs you're probably going to see? Outside food not allowed. The reason is super obvious, right? They want you to buy their food, not someone else's. This perfectly explains what's going on. A restaurant's #1 goal is to keep you at their tables ordering from their menu. Well, Facebook is exactly the same. Its #1 goal is to keep you inside their app scrolling their feed. So here's the big aha moment. Every single time you post an external link, one that takes people off of Facebook, you are basically handing their customers outside food. You're giving them a reason to leave the restaurant. And you better believe Facebook's algorithm is built to stop that from happening.
So what do? How do you play by their unwritten rules without just giving up on sharing links altogether? Well, you don't have to. You just have to be a little bit smarter about it. And here's the exact blueprint to do just that.
Okay, here's the game plan. It's a simple 3-step process. First, create your post, your text, your image, your video, but do not put the link in the caption. Step 2, in that caption, you write a clear call to action, something like link in the comments. Now for step 3, and this is the secret sauce, post your link in the second comment, not the first. Why the second? Because you can use that first comment to spark engagement immediately by tagging someone or asking a question, which the algorithm absolutely loves. This little trick makes the algorithm see your post as pure, native content, so it gets the full organic reach it actually deserves. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Come on, that sounds way too simple to work, but I want you to stick with me, because the proof is in the data.
All right, this next part is for all you doubting Thomases out there. And hey, it's good to be skeptical. So let's look at the actual proof. Does this one tiny change really make that big of a difference? It's the million-dollar question, isn't it? It feels almost too easy. Can moving a single link from the caption to the comments section really be the key to unlocking your reach? The answer is a huge, resounding yes. The data on this is so clear. Marketing studies have shown time and time again that posts using the link in comment strategy get dramatically higher organic reach. The numbers really don't lie on this one. Now, you might have heard of another little workaround. Some people call it the edit hack, where you publish the post and then edit it a few minutes later to add the link. And yeah, sometimes that works. But the comment method is widely considered to be much safer, and frankly, it's more transparent to your audience. You're not trying to trick anyone, you're just playing the game. So, let's tie all of this together. What is the ultimate lesson here? It's all about unlocking the reach that your content deserves, just by understanding one simple rule that runs the whole platform. And that, right there, is the answer to the whole mystery we started with. The one huge mistake we've all been making is putting our outside food right on the table for everyone to see. The secret isn't to stop sharing links, it's to hide them in plain sight, right there in the comments. So now the ball is in your court. Are you ready to stop making ghost posts? I challenge you to try this method on your very next post with a link, and then come back here and share your results in the comments below. Let's see how much we can all help each other boost our reach. Thank you so much for joining us for this explainer. For more strategies just like this one, make sure you visit us again at King's Academy. And please let us know your thoughts and results below.
As always, we read and reply to every single comment. We'll see you next time.